Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're talking about the popular Monad testnet. This project has been trending for a while now, and in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to go about it, and my own personal experience with it actually, because there are some things that I've not been able to do, so I don't share with you all I know about this project so far and what I've been able to do. Right, first of all, let's go to their official Twitter handle. This is Monad official Twitter page with 800k followers. So on February 19th, they posted their testnet. That's about over a week ago now. And since that day, the internet has been buzzing about this project, Monad. People have been talking about Monad here and there, everywhere. Let's check over here. One thing that most people about this project that people are excited about is their funding. If you look over here, this person posted the mega update on testnet funding. So Monad has raised about $244 million for this airdrop, this testnet, and it's totally free. I don't think you need to pay any money to farm this airdrop. You just need to test tokens, and then they have a lot of decentralized applications and a lot of projects that are under them, so they are like a new blockchain. And if you check over here too, Mandate Crypto9 posted there are 10 airdrops. This is the Monad ecosystem, so it's like a whole new ecosystem on its own with multiple projects under it or within under it and in partnership with it. So yeah, this project is a big one, so you need to just be part of it as little or as much as you can. Don't ignore this project. Monad is going to be big. So with that said, if you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is David and I talk about crypto airdrops, and let's just jump right into the video. So the first thing, you come to this place, testnet.monad.xyz, and click it. Is where you claim your faucet, and click on testnet.monad.xyz. All the links will be in the description below. You come over here, you will continue to bring it to this place. So you click on get started, please test, play and build on Monad testnet. So get started. If you have to get test Monad tokens over here, so you go to your OKX or MetaMask. Now use OKX, and I copy my wallet address, and I copy it here, and I paste it to verify I'm not a robot, and I get test tokens. Drip successful. Now after that, you have collected your tokens. You come over here to add Monad testnet. So you want to add it testnet to your wallet. Come over here again. Let's try to search for Monad MON. Okay, it's being without here, so we don't need to add it. So just click on it. So this is Monad testnet. Right now I'm having 0. I'll check back later when they are sent in my test tokens, then we can continue. So guys, welcome back. It's about 3 days later after we try to claim Faucet, and still I have 0 Monad in my wallet. I'm not able to get the test tokens. So I figured that the major problem in this Monad project is getting these test tokens, and they give out some test tokens to some wallets, but apparently they didn't send it to my wallet. I don't know what the issue is. So far I've not really been able to do much, because without the test tokens you really cannot do anything. I still have 0 now there. I'm gonna request for it again, and hopefully I get it. So please, if any one of you can help me out with this project, to get the test tokens, I will be glad. I will really be glad, because I've been trying to get these tokens for 3-4 days now. I'm not going to get even 0.1 of the test tokens. So please, and if any of you have that you can send to me, I'll also be glad. I'll put my wallet address in the comment, in the description, and also in the comment section. So if you have, and you can send, even if it's as little as 0.1 monad, it will go a long way. Thank you guys so much. So now, this is a guide. A friend of mine sent me this guide. So I'll just show you the basic things you need to do, because there are a lot of things you need to do to actually maximize your potentials for monad. Now, the first one is this one, AICraft. I'll paste this stuff in the description so you can access everything. And the first one is AICraft one. It says join whitelist, enter monad address, vote, and you're done. Okay. So this is AICraft. Still loading. So yeah, this is our own platform. All you do is to register, join their whitelist, and vote, and basically I think they are done with that. The next one is this project Ambient. So you connect your wallet, you trade with their platform, you use your monad test tokens if you have, and you get the leverage to get more head of. The more trading you get, the more volume you can build, the more you can get, right? The next one is this stake Apriori or Apriori. This is another soft platform. So it says here, you go to stake, claim Faucet, stake 0.2 MON, and withdraw 25% after 5 days. So you connect your wallet. A lot of time it will not do it. You claim your Faucet. Now I'm trying to claim Faucet in some of these different platforms. I've not been able to get it. I've not been able to claim the Faucet, actually in monad Faucet. But apparently when you collect your wallet and claim your Faucet, you now swap. Use this swapping platform. Now the next one is Bima. This one is an exchange. It just says trade Perps, swap monad, USDC. Next one is Bima. Bima works. Some of these sites don't work, but some of them work. So just choose one that works. Switch to monad testnet, claim Faucet, deposit vault. Let me check it out. Bima. For Bima, I'm saying that one within my now. For Bima, this is Bima. The site is not working for me. So move on to the next one. I'll check it out later. Blazpay. Let's go to DeFi.blazpay.com. Start with AI, swap, liquidity. This is DeFi.blazpay.com. So connect your wallet. And there are a lot of fake sites, guys. You know, some of these, I just remember some of these projects, there will be a lot of fake scams. So some people will just use, like for example, this Blazpay now. Instead of DeFi.blazpay.com, you can just change the website URL and then do a similar website to this. But if you make sure you are not, and if you connect wallet to their sites, you might lose all your funds. So make sure wherever you're getting your site, all these sites from um from a legitimate source. Like for example, the person I'm sending this now, I can tell that is getting from the right place. So definitely from the legitimate source. So always be careful, and to be on the safer side, go directly from Monad's official site. Go to their official testnet link here. So go to their link tree here. You will see some of the project right here. Don't go and connect your wallet to a fake website, and you might just end up losing all your money in that wallet. So just go to some of these that link to check out their official site. You'll see some other projects there. You keep scrolling so that they have a lot of projects here. Right, see some of them. You can just click. You have, the links are right here. You can click this now to take it directly. You don't just go and click on any random link from any random person, right? So moving on, for the guides, the other platforms here like Monorail, Curvance, this one says claim Faucet. So you can see most of them you need Faucet. This one says claim more Faucet, yesterday borrow Izumi, this one says swap, add liquidity, farm, and on. This one says you stake, Kintsu staking. So there are a lot actually. Yeah, as much as up to 20. This is 21 here. So yeah, that's just so far. I've not been able to do most. I think I've been able to do only 2 or so, 3 out of this 20, because majority of them require you to have test tokens. I don't have them. So I'm saying again, please, if any of you have and share it to me, kindly share. I will really be glad so I can do some of these tasks. I'm not being able to do any of the tasks. And then they have a validator node stuff over here too. Those of you that run nodes, and check this out. I don't really know much about this, but I know that people that run nodes, they are usually rewarded separately, apart from those people that do only the testnet. And when I was checking their site this morning, I saw right here it says something. If you need test token, reply with your Monorail address. Please let me see. You can see there are a lot of people that are having this same issue as me. 86,000 comments. That's a lot of people. Let me also reply to my own wallet address. This is not my main account though, this is my other account. So people have been complaining they are not able to get test tokens, and I'm part of them. I'm also one of them. So please, again, you can send me test tokens. I will put my address in the description, and I will be glad, very glad. Yeah, it says 100 million total transactions on the testnet. It's only been 1 week. So Monad, they are really doing well. People are on this project, and they are having a lot of engagement. The community is strong. It's there. They have transactions. They look like a promising project. Yeah, they posted the last day to be an early user of Monad Testnet on February 25th, and it's already 28th. So I guess for those of us that were not able to get in before, we are a little late, but this one is just like an early adopter. It doesn't stop you from going on to do the testnet. Now this is some of their partnership projects. Yeah, just check out their page, check out Twitter, check out what people are saying about the project, and be informed. So then that will be all for this video, guys. That will be all for this video. Want more videos like this, because we talk about crypto and airdrops on this channel, And this is my first testnet I'm posting on this channel. I've always been posting about Telegram airdrops. This is the first airdrop I'm posting, so the first testnet, I mean. So let me know what you think about this. If you like more of this, if you want more of this, I'll definitely make more of this. And I'll see you in the next video.